Delson on the beat. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys see from the thumbnail, what I've got for you guys today tutorial, there is a drum pack on it. So on the description, just download the drum pack so that you can use and make fire beats with it. So just go to my description now and just download the pack before watching it, and then after that let's watch the video. So guys, today I'm gonna be explaining how I made this beat. So I like to start. So if you guys want me to drop this, I can drop this which is this project, and you guys can remix it. So I think this is gonna be good. So I can drop this. It's out of you guys. If you guys comment, if I can get 50 people commenting that, yo bro, we like to have this project, and then we remix it and you collab with me, I don't have any problem, as long as you make good and then you send it back so that I can hear and read who made the best beat remix. So I can do that for you guys. So this is the challenge for today. So I'm gonna drop this. So I need 50 comments from 50 people that will comment so that I can drop this project. I'll drop this project for you guys so that you guys can remake it, and then we make a challenge. The best dude who makes the best beat, it's the one that I'm gonna drop on my channel. So I think that's gonna be a good choice. I like to start by, as you guys heard from the first start, so I hope you guys heard the beat. So let me just play it once more from here so that you guys can hear it, and then I start explaining. I break it down how I made this piano beat. So yeah, let's listen to the beat. So yeah guys, as you guys heard the sound, so I want to show you guys what inspired me to make this beat. So the first thing that I did, I started with the kick. So I like to explain, because I see like lot of people that they explain how they made their beat. They just show you guys how to make the beat, and other people they hide stuff that they use on the kick, on the thing, so they don't give you all the full details. So I was like, okay, let me just give you full detail on how to make a piano beat. So first thing, I started with the kick. So I make sure that my kick, it depends the sound that we use. So the sound that we use nowadays, the kick, it's not that heavier. So there is Bacardi, there is quantum sound. So the kick are different because of what the sound, it's harsh. So this one, it's just low. So the kick should not be harsh for you when making this type of beat. So I started with the kick. So that was my kick that I started with, and then I found a loop drum. So I did it. So that's the first thing that I did. So nothing's, it's just simple. So, and you guys should know that on my drums there's something that I put on. So I'm still gonna make a drum pack where I can give you guys the things that I use on my drums. So there's some, and then it sounds, all of them sounds like this. And then what I did, I went to grab a shaker from, who's this guy, from Anthony Daniel, is on YouTube. So I went and grabbed his shakers because I saw that it's dope for this beat. So I used it. So once I got that what is this, the bounce, the sound that I needed, so I started moving forward. So I came up with this sound again. So first thing that I started, I grabbed what is this, hypersonic, and then I grabbed the bass. So that was the first thing in my mind that I had on my mind. So that thing, what you call, the bass was in my mind, so I had to lay it down, and then it sound like this. It sounds like this. Okay, it sounds here. So it's here. So that's the sound that I put. So I started with that 808, the bass, and then I came with. So the original sound sounds like this. Number 3, it sounds like this. So I had to tune it so that it can be different. So it gave me this sound. So after that, after getting that sound, I said, okay, let me go to Nexus. So to Nexus, I grabbed a sound here to Gates pad. So you just go to TH. So you copy whatever I have. So I just okay, so that's the sound that I used. And then this is the key that I did. There's a video that JBeats posted, so I hope you guys watch this. There's a what you call, JBeat posted a tutorial here, so I'm gonna show it. You guys you should go and watch it. So it teaches you on how to scale a key if you wanna play your freestyle and all that. So yeah, so let's listen from here. So the drum log sounds like this. So that was the bass. So the bass that I used, and so I changed something on pattern. So, and I had to bring this pattern here. So I wanna play so that I can relate with you guys. So I'm explaining, I'm explaining how I made this beat. So I hope you guys learn from me, and if you guys really want me to start a beat from scratch and then showing you guys how I make it, I can also do that. So I'm just explaining for those that that are still beginners and they still want to know how I achieved the sound that I have guys heard from this is how I achieved that sound. So I was going along with a drum block, so I had to just bring that, and then I had to also bring this is called a pad, may I call it a pad. I had to bring that pad so that the sound can be full and machinery. These are the sound that I use on piano. To go to the description, because there's a drum pack for this. So yeah. So let me start here. Yo guys, thank you for watching until the end.